Hey everyone, this is Gene. I'm a graphic designer and illustrator. Been working in the industry for about 15 years. And today we're going to take a look at a little bit more typography. I'm going to show you how to make a block letter outline page. All right, so to give your page a block letter outline, a nice little border, first thing you're going to do is sort of decide where your edges are. Decide how far into the page you want to come. So even though this is a really dark pencil, it's dark just so you can see it on camera. I'm just going to start out with a couple of quick little lines here. Just an indication of where I want my edges to be. And then you're going to probably want to give yourself some regular intervals. One thing about letters is that they're evenly spaced when you see them from a typewriter or a computer, so people are used to seeing everything evenly spaced. And you're going to want to just give yourself a few guidelines. I'm not going to put every single letter in exactly these spaces, because if we have like an M is a wider letter, right, and an I is a thinner letter, so they're not going to occupy these spaces exactly. But we can take some liberties with block letters, so just give yourself some quick guidelines. And then for this, I don't know, let's write my name here. So I'm going to come in here and just using these as guidelines. I'm going to use fairly straight block letters. These are the kinds of things you might see on, I don't know, like a high school jersey or something. And so we're gonna bevel the edges. And I'm going to just butt the letters right up against each other here. And then it's real easy to know where my edge bevels are coming from at that point. And as you can see here, I'm about to do the front of the E, and I don't want it to go all the way to this guideline here, but I do want it to all be even. And I also want it to be even on top and bottom, so giving myself a couple more guidelines. And usually I'd use a ruler for this, but I'm just kind of freehanding right now. And then we'll go ahead and just darken the lines. And the center of the E will bring in a little bit, just to give it a little character. And there you go. I'll give myself another guideline here. That's pretty much all there is to it. Make sure that you're using guidelines, otherwise things are going to get to be sort of all over the place. So there you go. That's part of my name, Jen, but my name's actually Gene, and I'm leaving off the other E. But take that, and whatever your saying is, or if you're going to do a name, you can do it a couple of different times around the page. So make sure you use guidelines. I would say probably use a ruler, and then you can color them in. You can do whatever you want, and then you have a nice little border around your main image. All right, so quick, easy little block letter outline page. And if you have any questions, let us know, and we'll see you next time.